Hello and namaste. I'm Dr. Sugandhi Unnikrishnan, obstetrician and gynecologist, and welcome to Kimkena. I know this video is coming out after such a long gap, and thank you to all those people who reached out to me to know if I was doing well. I think life just kept me busy, but this video is really going to be interesting, and I hope you guys find it useful. Thank you so much for your continuous support and for spreading the love and the education. If you are a healthy couple who's trying to get pregnant, what is the most important thing that you should be aware of? I think it is to be aware of those days of the month when having sexual intercourse can help you get pregnant faster. This is called the fertile window. Let's understand more about this. What is the basis of this fertility window? It is to understand or capture that one day that a woman would ovulate. Now, how do you know if you're ovulating? Some women experience mild cramps, others have no symptoms at all. You can always buy ovulation strips from the market, but they're expensive and it adds to the anxiety of monitoring. So you can try this one formula to identify your fertility window. For example, if your period came on the 1st of November, 10th of November would be your 10th day of the period cycle. Having sex on every alternate day from the 10th to the 20th day, in this case from 10th of November to 20th of November, would increase your chances of getting pregnant, because most women ovulate during the middle of the cycle and we are trying to capture that one day by using this entire window. This is the concept of fertility window. You can use this formula to calculate the day that you would ovulate, even if you have a period coming once in 28 days or if you have a period coming once in 35 days. Because this wide window of 10 days would cover most of the days you could possibly ovulate. Why is it so important to understand when a woman ovulates? When a woman ovulates, that means your ovary releases an egg that is capable of meeting a sperm and becoming a baby. Now this egg survives inside a woman for 24 hours, but a male sperm will survive inside her for at least up to 4 days. So we are trying to capture this 24-hour window by increasing the frequency of having sexual intercourse on the days when you're most likely possible to ovulate. So to quickly recap, monitor your period cycle and understand the 10th and the 20th day of your month. Having sexual intercourse on every alternate day from the 10th to the 20th day of your period cycle will increase your chances of getting pregnant, because you will definitely ovulate during one of those days, and when you do, there is always some sperm waiting inside to meet with that egg and give you a baby. I hope this video is really helpful to all of you out there who are trying to get pregnant. Please do write your questions at ask.kimkena@gmail.com. I would love to hear from you and I will try to respond to all of your questions individually. Do write your comments in the comment section below and make sure to like and subscribe our channel and give me all your endless support. So until we meet next time, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye-bye.